This Hyperlight UFO high bay light delivers very strong, even illumination that easily replaces a much higher wattage metal halide or high-pressure sodium fixture in large spaces like warehouses and gyms. The selectable power levels and multiple color temperature options make it unusually flexible, so you can fine-tune brightness and light tone during installation instead of being locked into a single configuration. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included hanging hardware, long power cord, safety cable, and standard plug, which allow most users to get it mounted and running in only a few minutes. The fixture feels robust and well-engineered with a solid housing, reliable waterproof and dust-resistant rating, and excellent heat dissipation that should help it run cool and last for many years. Its compact circular profile keeps weight down and looks clean overhead, while the ability to dim the light lets you match output to the task or add it to a more sophisticated control system. Overall, this high bay light stands out as a bright, efficient, and durable option for commercial and workshop environments where dependable overhead lighting is critical.